Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today we will take a look at Great British Pound. So our setup that we have discussed on the Euro currency on the weekend now stands underway. So nothing to add there right now. That's why I think that maybe we'll take a look at something else. Because also you asked a lot about the cable, what's going on, what to expect and so on. So on the cable situation, yes, in general, the Great British Pound shows a bit different swings compared to Euro currency and dollar index, but the overall picture stands mostly the same. It shows the significant reversal pattern on the weekly chart, and it's the weekly overbought as well. And this is the first drop, the first leg down, as this pattern has been completed. As a result, we expect approximately the same action as on the dollar index on the Euro currency. First, some bounce up, and then another leg down is also possible. So currently I see that's really big chance for that. So, but here is a bit concerning and some question about how this upward direction should start. And my suggestion is better to wait for another leg down in the Great British Pound. Currently, guys, I do not know how it will correspond to the action on dollar index and Euro currency, because it has really high relation to those currencies, the action on the Great British Pound. But sometimes in the short-term period, they could show different action. Maybe some news will be released, so that will impact on the cable a bit stronger than in other currencies and could show the dive down. But anyway, I show you the perfect step that I would like to follow. So when I see any opportunity for trade on any asset on the forex market, I treat it as some kind of the stuff, and whether I would like to buy it or not. So, and here I show you the picture that personally I would like to buy. So if the situation will develop as I have shown you on the chart. Take a look what we have. Actually, we have the ABCD pattern down. This drop was really fast. As soon as market has hit daily oversold, this also was some turmoil around the Bank of England statement. But take a look, market has failed to reestablish upward directions. Long tail stands here. This market just dropped further to the next step of the oversold. Now it shows another retracement. Overall action stands below the February pivot. Personally, I prefer to see market around 137, 37.40 area, because this is confidence support, as you can see on the daily chart. This is very close to the monthly pivot support one. Previous stops also stands here, as you can see. And that will be XOP targets from this ABC top 1618 extension, extended objective point, XOP. So that is just an image of perfect stuff for me that I would like to purchase if market will appear here. It's some kind of the perfect picture that I would like to get. So on the intraday charts, guys, on the 4-hour time frame chart, there are two important moments here. So trend has turned bullish on the 4-hour time frame chart, but as you can see, price action is not really strong. First of all, pay attention to this action that we see on the 4-hour time frame chart. That could become the butterfly. If it will be the butterfly, it will be a perfect scenario for us, because 1618 extension stands precisely at the XOP target, 3686. So that will completion the butterfly. This will give us two important points. First of all, market will form bullish reversal pattern. This is a butterfly actually. That's point for entry. And simultaneously, market will complete a major target. So that's just what we would like to get. As a result, we could get this large guardless triple to buy pattern. It's a very nice opportunity to take a long position. Why I think that cable is not started yet the upward action, because Great British Pound usually shows really fast action. So if it stands underway in the trend, it's very fast. So for example, like here, you can see when market stands such kind of action as we see here and here, it tells that something is wrong. The upward action hasn't started yet. That's why I think that another leg actually could happen. Maybe it will be very fast action, some kind of, as I said, on data release or something of that sort. Second point that we need to keep an eye on is this consolidation. So market, as you can see, has challenged once. This consolidation has failed, returned back down. Now it comes for a second attempt. And if market will return back inside of this consolidation, well, in this case, maybe we will not get the completion of the XOP target. Because usually when the market returns back inside of the previous consolidation, it has the free space inside of it. So normal action is back to the opposite border of this consolidation. And that in turn could put the foundation for a possible upward action. Maybe another pattern will be formed. As you can see, here and shoulders maybe will be formed. But personally, guys, I still hope that we will get the normal development as it should be. Finally, what else we have on this chart? If you will take a look closely at these retracements, you will see that here we could get actually 3 drive as well. 3 drive patterns accompanied by the divergence. So take a look. This first drive retracement, second drive stands at 127. I don't have the markings here, but this is 127 extension of the first drive. Third drive will stand right here. So this will be crossing of the 1618 extension of the first drive, and I hope this will be 1618 for the second drive. It's not classical 3 drive pattern, but it's kind of the we could call it some kind of the 3 drive pattern. So also, as you can see, this divergence wrapping here, and probably this will be kind of the wedge pattern. That's the price behavior that we like to get. So when you have the harmonic patterns with the classical wedge reversal pattern, it's accompanied by some other ABCD targets and so on. So where all technical tools coincide in one point, this will give you a lot of confidence that trade should be successful. So that's the perfect picture that I would like to follow. Whether I will take the position if market will reverse earlier, well, probably I will need some more confirmation for that. So I need to get some more clear patterns that will confirm a reversal. Maybe a reversal, upward reversal thing should be formed, something that sort. I just think that when we will start to wait for more confirmation, we will lose the opportunity for this trade because market will be too high and very close to the target. Just this will be not quite rational to take the position. That's why probably I think that I will be watching only for perfect scenario that I have shown you here. So that's what you see right now on the cable. It's really very good combination. As you can see, overall patterns that we have. We just need to be a bit more patient and see when the market will hit targets around 137 area, and then we could make the decision on the possible taking the trade.